Alright, this is going to be a toolbox tour of the tools that I have at work. This is just for insurance purposes, and I guess for your guys' entertainment. This is a channel lock chest. I think it's like a 30-inch. I have Pittsburgh long-handled screwdrivers, big pair of locking pliers, Tecton 18-inch bolt cutters, Nikio impact Allen socket set, Sunex pry bar, wrenches up to 1.5 inches, everything from SK Snap-on, SK Craftsman, Blackhawk, Job Smart, 15-inch adjustable wrench, my 22-inch Kinetics Cobras, 24-inch Tecton breaker bar, 24-inch Tecton ratchet, Matco Kinetics Cobras PC22, three-quarter-inch drive socket set all the way up to 2-inch, couple adapters, Blackhawk ratchet, the wrench bag. This has the metric S-style metric moon wrenches, crow's foot wrenches, standard wrenches, disconnect set, kind of made my own master set. Plier bag, still kind of the same, everything from Wiz, Mac, Doyle, Tecton, Kinetics, and then 3-piece Tecton spark plug sockets, a couple files, the other Sunex pry bars, a couple pry bars I made in polars, tape measure. This is basically the same as one of my last videos, but I'll go through it. Channel locks, punches, water pump tool, PWZ1, PWZ2, Tecton channel locks, pick forks, gasket scraper. That's about it. Couple items I forgot in the last one. Tecton 3/4-inch drive breaker bar, big pry bar, I think that came from Amazon, and then my sledgehammer. Thank you guys. Couple items I forgot in the last one. Tecton 3/4-inch drive breaker bar, big pry bar, I think that came from Amazon, and then my sledgehammer. Thank you guys.